Quick question, did your truck survive winter or is it barely hanging on? Spring is finally here. It's time to show your vehicle a little bit of love. First things first, let's get those winter tires off and get that alignment checked. Winter roads are tough and your steering feels it. So if you're planning any road trips, now's the time to get your brakes checked and your fluids topped up. Oil, coolant, washer fluid, transmission fluid, the basics matter. So basically, if your vehicle worked hard all winter, it deserves a spring reset. But here's the fun part. Spring is prime time for upgrades. Big tires, lift kits, fender flares, box liner, tonneau covers, headache racks, you name it, we got it. If you've been thinking about leveling up your truck, now's the time. And yes, lifts and accessories can be financed, so you don't have to choose between upgrades and groceries. Whether you're getting road ready or building your dream truck, come see us here in service at Legacy Dodge Claresholm. Book your appointment and ask about accessories, and let's get your vehicle ready for everything spring throws at it. We'll take care of the rest.